Did you just get banned from Roblox? Let's get you unbanned step by step. The first step is to appeal through Roblox support. Head over to roblox.com/support and fill out the form with your account details. Be honest and clear about why you think the ban was a mistake. If you have any evidence, include that too. Remember, honesty is key. Misleading information can hurt your appeal. Make sure you submit your appeal within the allowed time frame, or it might not be accepted. Roblox also has a violations and appeals system. If your violation qualifies, start there. Otherwise, use the general support form. Before you appeal, read through Roblox's community standards. Understanding why you were banned helps you avoid future issues. And while using a VPN might seem tempting, it can lead to more trouble. Roblox keeps a close eye on user activity, so repeated violations can lead to permanent bans. The best strategy? Follow the community guidelines.